friends, we are at the South Asian University. This is at Maidan Gari. So Professor K.K. Agarwal has just launched this the area admissions. So we have Ma'am Kavita ji. So Kavita ji is the admission in charge. So she'll talk her brief about the admissions and SAU. Ma'am.
Okay, so as you all know that South Asian University has been established by 8 member nations of SAARC, and the admission process, we have started the admission process today, and you can explore the diverse range of courses that we have. You talk about sciences, you talk about engineering, or you talk about social sciences. So we have a diverse range of programs, academic offerings at SAU now, and we have launched I think 1370 seats in the current admission cycle. Apart from that, we have executive MBA, executive PhD programs for working professionals, and we've started with SAU virtual campus also, wherein the online courses, degree programs and certificate programs would be there, and the rigor of the virtual campus courses would be same as the rigor of the in-person courses. So you can explore. If you do not have time to come physically to the university, you can take benefit of the virtual courses that we have.
Wonderful. Coming to the scholarship, as you mentioned about the scholarships, I think you've given about 453.
No, something. it was 353 scholarships that we've given last year.
So I just wanted to understand when a person applies, right? Then the scholarship is decided at the beginning, or does it happen while he's in?
It depends upon the scholarship, because the type for different scholarships there are different criteria.
Okay. And to what extent do we give them scholarship? To what extent?
So the number, basically the amount that would come up now would be quite more than what we offered last year.
Right.
But if I talk about last year, it was 25,000 stipend plus the tuition fee waiver up to that was in tune of around $450, and then hostel fee waiver.
We'll take a break, sir. One thing.
This time I think we'll be more generous in giving the scholarship, and our scholarship policy would be updated very soon on the website.
One more thing which is very interesting is about the interdisciplinary science program.
Yeah.
So this is a 5-year program,
yes,
right? And what is the...
any student can come in.
Okay, so he has to appear for any admission test?
So again, the mode of admission, I think the student should read very carefully the mode of admission that we have. One is the... So if I talk about the mode of admission, we have various modes of admission to facilitate the students. So the first mode of admission is through our own entrance test. The student can appear in SAU entrance test to take the admission. The next mode of admission is through CUET. If the student is from India, if the student is from outside India, we are taking up the marks that the student has scored in the national level eligibility test of their own country. So if he, if I talk about India, CUET would be the, if the student, CUET would be there for interdisciplinary course that you've asked for. And for other students, from the students from other SAARC countries, for them will be considered the marks in the qualifying examination also to give them the admission.
Right. And last thing is about all the students who are from the SAARC countries also.
So we have a lot of hostel capacity. The preference is given to obviously the students who are from outside India first, and then we give the preference.
So thank you very much, ma'am, and I think we wish you all the best for this.
बहुत से स्कॉलरशिप्स हैं, अमाउंट अलग अलग होता है और मेरिट को भी देखते हैं, मींस को भी देखते हैं, लेकिन मिलेंगे शुरू से ही, और लेकिन वो बच्चे बाद में भी मेहनत करते रहें, तो इसलिए हमने ये लगाया कि फ़र्स्ट ईयर की परफॉर्मेंस को देखा जाएगा स्कॉलरशिप को सेकेंड ईयर में कंटिन्यू करने के लिए, क्योंकि हम ये नहीं चाहते कि बच्चा आए, स्कॉलरशिप भी ले और फिर मेहनत भी ना करे, तो उसको ध्यान में रखेंगे और मिलेगा सब साथ।
आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।
थैंक यू।
And Ministry of Education for any educational enterprise, so that we can bring the world closer together by academic and.
We have 180 seats in that, and integrated BBA MBA program would have.
Thank you. Now, can I invite Professor Agarwal and other dignitaries to formally.